Hello, I'm Heji Kim from KAIST. I'm very excited today to talk about our work, understanding the negative aspects of user experience in human likeness of voice-based conversational agents. This work was carried out with In-chan Jung and Yoon-kyung Lim. Voice-based conversational agents, or VCAs, have expanded the horizon of human-agent interactions by performing multi-turn conversations beyond command and control. In VCA design, replicating natural human interactions has become crucial for building close relationships with users. As advances in AI technology occur, various VCAs that can carry out human-like conversations have been developed now. However, imitating humans to an indistinguishable level can also cause threats and fears to users. Blurring the boundaries between humans and machines may be considered to diminish humans' uniqueness. Additionally, excessive anthropomorphism of machines could trigger a fear of losing control to the machines. In this regard, it can be necessary to question the paradigm of VCA design based on human imitation. Should VCAs be able to imitate humans perfectly? This study aims to explore what influences the negative aspects of user experience in realistically human-like VCAs. We need to explore experiences in which users can feel comfortable in interaction with human speakers, but feel negative about VCA speakers even when the conversations are the same. Thus, we conducted an exploratory user study using comparable video prototypes to compare these two situations. To elicit participants' perceptions and feelings of human-like VCAs, we developed human-human and human-agent video prototypes with only different images for the same scenario and the same voice. Since our study focuses on the high level of human likeness in VCAs, the video scenarios were designed to feel like a real human conversation. We referred to the dialogue scripts of two external resources. To explore VCAs used for various purposes, we also considered three types of conversational agents: intelligent assistant, task-oriented agent, and virtual companions. Consequently, 6 voice files were recorded by voice actors and 12 videos were developed. We distributed a screening survey of VCA users through online communities of universities in South Korea. We ensured a selection that maximized the diversity of factors related to the user's attitudes and perception of VCAs. Participants were recruited until data saturation was reached. A total of 12 participants were invited. We conducted 2 hours of online study per participant. After introducing the study goals and guide, we asked participants to share their thoughts and feelings aloud while watching the video prototypes. First, we played the video prototype to the end without pause, then we paused after each utterance. Under these settings, we repeated the process with the video prototype of different interlocutors. Half of the participants watched the VCA human conversation first. In contrast, the other half watched the human-human conversation first. Participants articulated their negative feelings towards the VCAs with scenario scripts in the retrospective interview. We asked them whether they felt the same emotions towards the human interlocutor. We report 4 factors that influenced negative feelings towards the human likeness of VCAs. First, many participants felt discomfort toward VCAs pretending to be human, such as eating food, wearing clothes, or liking someone. In addition, they felt fear when imagining the existence of a body or emotions for the VCA. This finding shows that participants viewed it as a threat that machines may make human identity beyond their purposeful performance. The second is independent expressions against users. Participants' recognition of these independent expressions varied based on whether they perceived the VCA as a friend or not. Participants who considered VCA as friends tended to assign social reactions in human relationships to expression from the VCAs, such as fights or apologizing. However, they were unwilling to respond according to cultural norms to a machine intrinsically developed to serve humans, so they experienced discomfort in that situation. Participants who did not consider VCAs as friends recognized that the VCA is not emotionally harmed, and it made them feel like they were allowed to use disrespectful speech to VCAs. Third, many participants felt negative emotions when the VCA mentioned their information, even if it was publicly available information. They felt fear when VCA's autonomous searching and storage abilities were directly revealed through speech. Additionally, some participants felt pressured when the VCA revealed that it observed humans. It shows that users might feel pressured by a highly autonomous and superior conversation counterpart with access to their personal information. Last, our data revealed that participants could negatively perceive VCAs whose speech styles use pragmatic markers outside their original purpose. In a social context, participants expected the VCA to act as a machine that successfully performs specific functions such as comforting and showing empathy to users, rather than replacing a human friend. They interpreted the VCA's words differently from original intentions when pragmatic markers were irrelevant to the VCA's expected functions. In a transactional context, participants anticipated that the VCA should serve particular tasks in a natural but efficient manner, so they felt uncomfortable with extended, time-consuming expressions. Based on these findings, we proposed design directions for VCAs to overcome potential human imitation problems. First, VCAs that express themselves as machine by revealing machine-like characteristics. It can lower threats to human uniqueness as well as lead to positive trust judgment. Second, VCAs that interact socially within the purpose of use. It can reflect discomfort caused by users' perception of the master-servant relationship. Thus, VCAs could be designed in the context of user perceptions of machine designed to support humans. Our findings indicate that users expect VCAs to be used as machines rather than replacements for humans. Based on these findings, we suggest new design directions that make VCAs distinguishable from humans and perform social actions according to their purpose. This can provide new inspiration for practitioners who develop technology that mimic how humans communicate, so that VCAs can remain with us as machines that help humans with their own identity beyond human imitation. Thank you for listening to our presentation.